Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Foley food mill on the market, this sleek and versatile stainless steel model. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this kitchen gadget is designed to elevate your culinary game. Let's take a closer look at its features, and see why it deserves a spot in your kitchen. The standout feature of this food mill is its high-quality stainless steel construction. It's not only durable but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The material is resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring that this food mill will last you for years of delicious cooking. Setting it up is a breeze. With a user-friendly design, you'll find that it's intuitive to put together. It comes with 3 interchangeable milling discs, each offering a different texture. So whether you're making smooth tomato sauce, chunky apple sauce, or velvety mashed potatoes, you have the right tool for the job. Let's get hands-on. I'm using the finest disc here to turn these fresh tomatoes into a delightful sauce. Simply place the tomatoes in the bowl, position the food mill above, it fits snugly on any mixing bowl, and start cranking that ergonomic handle. The silicone grip provides a firm hold, ensuring you can apply just the right amount of pressure without straining your hands. Look at that. The food mill effortlessly separates the skin and seeds from the pulp, giving you the perfect consistency for your sauce. And the best part? Cleanup is a breeze. Just pop it into the dishwasher, and you're done. This food mill is not just for tomatoes, though. Imagine transforming your favorite fruits into jams, purees, or even baby food. The possibilities are endless. Think of all the delicious homemade treats you can whip up with this essential kitchen tool. And storage? It fits nicely into any cabinet or drawer without taking up too much space. Its sleek design means you won't mind displaying it on your countertop either. It's a gadget that not only performs well but looks good doing it. So whether you're making sauces, purees, or jams, this stainless steel Foley food mill delivers exceptional results every time. Its sturdy build, interchangeable discs, and easy cleanup make it the go-to option for both novice and experienced cooks alike. If you're serious about cooking, this is a must-have in your kitchen arsenal. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this product as awesome as we did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reviews of kitchen essentials that can elevate your cooking experience. Until next time, happy cooking!